Hi everyone, Anita Fanita here. How is everybody? Okay, so welcome back to I Love Etsy episode, I think 5. I'm not sure. I think it is 5. And I didn't do a video yesterday because it was Sunday and I wanted to spend some time with the kids. But I do have the items that sold yesterday and then the ones for today and then whatever I listed today. So that's what I'm going to show you guys. And as soon as I fix this camera. Okay. So yesterday, I had, and it's a good thing I'm writing all this stuff down because I couldn't remember. Okay, so we have this Heshi necklace sold for $20, and then I have the Juicy Couture. Remember the stretchy bracelet? This one sold for $18, and these were all to the same buyer. And then we have this beautiful statement necklace. If I can get it in here. Okay. Hang on, guys. Why is this cricket? Okay. And it's still cricket. Give me a second. I should have done this before I started, I guess. Okay. There we go. Okay, so, and this one sold for 10. So, with the 20%, I always put a 20% discount on everything. With the 20% discount, actually, it's called a sale. Everything was $39. And next, I sold this one that had been on there for a while, native turquoise bracelet. This one sold for $26. These are very pretty, and a lot of people collect these. And then I sold this one here that had been on for a while as well. That's why it's very important to always continue listing. This one sold for $12. It's an alabaster necklace, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has the carved Aztec calendar on there. It's pretty hard to see this way, but it is carved on there. Oh, it did show for a second. And in the back, there's a signature in the back. So this one, 12. Next, I sold these two items to the same buyer. This one was, this one here, HAN sterling bracelet, sold for $50. And this one here with the malachite stones sold for $45. And together they totaled $85 with the 20% sale. Okay, and then we have the two cuffs, the ones that, the ones that open up from the side with the beads. With the beads, this sold for $24 for everything. And then, and then this pretty piece here, the Napier bow brooch. This one sold for $8. And remember this necklace? With the antlers? I couldn't figure out what to call it besides the antlers deer necklace. This one sold for $20. And then we have, a buyer that purchased 4 Christmas brooch lots, and altogether totaled $30. I'm not going to open them all, but I will open one. I'll open this one. And there's 4 of them because there's too many for me to show. See, they're really pretty brooches. I have a lot of brooch lots, holiday brooch lots. Well, not so many now, but I will put more up. And I do sell them for $10 each. And I do put a lot of pieces in there. These are really cute. If you guys can see them. And a Christmas tree. And this is so cute. It's a cactus. Okay. And my kids are playing in the back, so you're going to hear them a little bit. Okay, so I want to put these back because I don't like them when they pile them on top of each other, because then you get scratches on them. So I like to put everything back. Okay, so my total sales for yesterday was $244, which is great. Okay, so for today, I have, let's see here. Today, okay, we have the angel, the same buyer got both of these, the angel cherub earrings that were for $20. And then remember this one that I said I was going to keep there for a while because I wasn't going to give it for any less than that, because this is a piece that you don't get quite often and you don't find very often, so it's okay to list things like this for a little bit higher price. This one sold for $134, and this one and the earrings together with the 20% off came to $146. And the next one again was another statement piece here that sold for $10. I don't know why this is not getting in the picture. Okay, maybe it's too big. And I sold this little sterling cross here for $10. So my total for today is $166. Again, I did really good. I'm happy with that. And these are the things that I listed today. I listed a little bit late, but it's okay. Okay, native turquoise bracelets. Okay, so I have this one today. Again, it's turquoise, native, and it's really nice. This really looks really nice on. And it's for a smaller wrist. It's not too big. It's not too small either. And this one is for $35 that I listed it. The next one is the sterling silver cuff here. Has kind of like waves on it. Very pretty again. Looks very nice on. And it is marked and tested. This one also is $35. And then we have, okay, this one here. It's a cute little tiny ring. I'm sorry, my phone's making noise. It's a square ring, little swirl inside. This is a size 6, and this one is just listed for $10. It's a very cute little modern piece. Next, I have these pearls. I listed some costume jewelry too. This is by RJ. I'm going to say this wrong for sure. Graziano or Graz. I know I'm pronouncing it wrong, but these go for a lot of money. And I did check out some of the listings. They were going in the 80s, 70s, and this is a really nice one. I love the color on this. And this is, let me see how many strands it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 strands. So it looks really nice. If you see the picture, you'll see how nice it looks. This one, and there's nothing wrong with it. It's absolutely perfect. This one I listed for $40. Okay, the next one here is a Cookie Lee piece. And I don't usually list Cookie Lee, but I really thought this was really cute. It's kind of like a jingle jangle necklace here. And it has faceted shiny beads. It just looks really nice on. If you see it on the mannequin form, you'll see how pretty it looks. And I just listed this for $10. So the next one, let's see. I lost my order. The next one, pendant. Oh, okay. So I have let me do the ring next. Did I just lose the string? Okay. Yep, I did. No, it's right here. Okay. Sterling ring star. It looks like a star, kind of, and it has black stones. And this is one of those sterling silver pieces that come in a gunmetal color, but they are sterling silver, and it is marked. It's a very pretty ring. This is a size 8, and this one I listed for $30. It's very pretty, and it's going to be a lot less with the 20% sale on it. Next, I have a pendant lot here where I put I think there's 3 of them in here. 4. 4 pendants. Okay, this one is mother of pearl. There's a turquoise piece and a cat's eye and a marcasite one in here. And I did include 1 chain so you can wear them all. And I listed all of these for $20. Okay, so this is going to be a really good buy. And then we have a Victoria's Secret bracelet here. It's very nice, beautiful rhinestones here, and it does have the wings. It's never been taken out of the box. It's very pretty, and it is originally sold for $78. There's just like some damage to the box, but it's not like sticky or anything. I did clean it. And this one I listed for $18. And then we have this one here. It's a glass necklace. I listed this for $10. These, I don't think that they're sea glass, but they do look like sea glass. But I don't think they are. But it's still really pretty. Great for summer. For those of you that love the beach colors, this is for you. I listed this for $10. And then I have, oh, this one here. This is a holiday one. It's a cute little, you can hang this on your purse. You can take it out and hang it as a pendant. Put it on your keys. I personally would hang it as a pendant because it has a cute little pom-pom on it. So this one I listed for $10. So it's still in the box. I would take it off and hang it on a necklace and use it as a pendant. Okay, so I think that's it for what I listed. Let me see. Okay, so I am gonna add. I did add 3 more links to pages of Etsy stores in the description. Please go check them out. And again, like the stores, follow the stores. And if you're not purchasing anything, please go like some of the items that are listed. That does help a lot. And like I said again, I hope you guys all open. If all of you that have Etsy stores, I hope you all opened a Pinterest account because that does really help. And you can go see in Etsy where where the people are coming in viewing your items from. And I do see a lot of them coming in from Pinterest. So one day when I learn how to screen share, I'll show you guys how to check that. Hopefully by the end of the week I'll figure all that out. But please go open a Pinterest and start sharing your items there because that does really help. I'm done with this video, I guess. Thank you all for your time. I hope you guys had fun. I will be putting up a new one tomorrow. I'm gonna have a guest tomorrow on my show. His YouTube channel name is Patty72. He's gonna be my guest tomorrow. It's gonna be at 3 Central. I think it's 3 Central. I'm not sure, but I will put up the reminder. Please join in. It's going to be a lot of fun. He's a lot of fun, and those of you that know him know it's going to be really fun. So please join us tomorrow for a little interview chit-chat, and we're going to do that tomorrow. So thank you, everyone who watched this video. I hope you had fun. This is Anita Fanita saying goodbye.